Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So right now we're at the World of Coffee in Dubai and we're visiting the branch, the coffee desk, and they are the sponsors of the new Fellow machine, Fellow Espresso One. So we're having some discussion about the Fellow machine with Sulaiman from the company. So he's gonna tell us some information about the machine. We're gonna look at it and we'll try to make coffee with it to see how it's gonna deliver. So first of all, hi Sulaiman, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
So tell me more about the Fellow Espresso One machine.
Okay, this Fellow Espresso machine is one of its own. It doesn't only make coffee for you, rather it teaches you how to make the coffee. The functions are quite simple and straightforward, and this is how it goes. You have three main buttons over there, and then you have this knob. This knob will take you to all the specification functions, yeah? As you move it like that, so you go in there. So if you are using dark roasted coffee, here you can enter for the setting. Yeah. So when you go there, customization, you can go in back flashing. If you want to maintain, if it's asking for maintenance, it will tell you. App connectivity, you can connect with Bluetooth. So you can have with the connectivity in your phone, and that's elevation. How high or how low you are while brewing the coffee.
So what does it do, the elevation?
Elevation will enhance the number one temperature, because if you are at high mountain, then the temperature will not hit at 100 degrees. So that is the elevation. Yeah? Okay. And then here you can change the units if you want to use milliliter or grams or ounce.
Very good.
Yeah. And then you can just go back from here. Then here is the shots profiling. However you want. You want to use ratio 1:2. Coffee, is it light, medium, dark?
Okay.
Yeah. Like this is like for Americano. If you want to make Americano, we have a small water pump hidden here. So you make espresso here, and this little thing here is for hot water.
Okay.
Yeah. So this hot water dispenser.
So to sum the machine up before going into deeper details, the machine has how many heating elements?
It has 3 heating elements and 1 main boiler.
Okay, so there is a big boiler inside the machine, and there is 3 main heating elements
to keep the temperature consistent.
Okay,
so you can make an espresso immediately after that. You can steam without tampering with the temperature.
Okay, so the steaming has to happen after the brewing.
Yeah. You cannot do it at the same time. Yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't do. So it's like a decent kind of where you can finish your coffee, then make your steam. Okay, very good.
And the steam one as well, you can go manually here, and also it's auto purge. If you want to go automatic,
so the steam one has a sensor.
It has a
sense
sensor.
The temperature.
Yeah,
it has auto purge as well.
Auto purge. Yeah. So when you are done with the steaming, it purges itself.
Okay. So the machine has a small screen here where you can control it using this knob, and the screen will give you all the details. All the menu options, and the knob can be pressed so that you can.
So you want to pull a shot?
Select, exactly. You can go on whatever selection you're at. The machine can connect to a mobile Bluetooth app where you can control it using your phone or even a tablet. And also, the machine has a lot of settings that you can play with, even if you don't connect it to a phone or a tablet. There's 3 buttons on the top, looks like a piano buttons.
Yes.
This is for coffee, this is for water, and this is for steam. So if I turn on the coffee, for example, like that.
Long press.
Yeah, I will long press it so that the timer will change here into the pre-infusion stage, and this is how the water falls from the shower screen of the machine. Looks good. Yeah, okay. The machine is featuring E61 group head size. So if I wanna
58,
stop,
this is 58 milliliter. Like the normal standard,
portafilter sizes will work on it. So that's 58 millimeters portafilter.
And we have a drip tray that can be removed, and this one is removable. So you can remove like that.
Okay, very good. And where's the water tank? Is it on
water
the back
tank
side of the machine?
It's just here. This is the water tank.
So on the side, there is the water tank.
You just press there and
stop
it. 2 liters capacity.
2 liters capacity.
Yeah.
The body of the machine is made of plastic, though it looks nice, polished, looks like a mirror, kind of. And here we have the steam wand. It's a long steam wand. And when we press the steam button,
long press,
long press the steam. Oh, maybe we need to, exactly. So we press on the steam. So the steam is gonna build up now. I feel the pulses.
Heating up, there you go.
I feel the pulses of the
pressure
pump.
is very high.
Exactly, it connects to a vibratory pump for sure. And that's how the steam looks like. Little bit wet steam. Okay, but strong and consistent. Long clicking again? Long clicking
No, it
or
will go
normal
until
click?
62.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to stop it?
No, now,
Yeah.
now it will stop itself once it.
Okay, so once we
Yeah.
click on the button, it will
There you
stop
go.
automatically,
Yeah.
and it will always do auto purge in the drip tray. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's also water dispersion
Underneath there, hidden.
hose here or something like
underneath
that. A spigot, small, very small spigot for the
Assalamualaikum.
water dispersion.
How
When
are
we
you?
click this one here,
Yeah, that is all. Long press, then the
Yeah.
water dispenser.
yeah, long press on the button, then the water will dispense from this spigot for the people who want to do their Americanos. Okay.
So I want to punch. Okay, this is the.
Okay, that's actually cool.
Yeah.
So
Water now will come. The water will come. See? The water punches.
So it shows the amount of
Of
water
water.
here
Yeah.
as per its like settings, and then the water will fall like that in the cup. Okay, that's very nice. So how about trying to make a coffee with this machine and see
Yes,
how it
yes.
makes coffee?
Why not?
So the machine has a vibratory pump in it or a gear
Yeah,
pump?
vibrating.
Vibratory, just one pump.
Yeah, just one pump
Okay,
with 3 heating elements.
with 3 heating elements. So this means that I can.
It makes the temperature consistent.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. And is there ability to control the flow of the
Yeah.
machine while
And
brewing?
one more thing that we didn't mention is the cable. See, you don't see the wire that is connected.
Yeah.
It's underneath and very long.
Okay.
So you can't see the wire, you see?
Yeah, I can see the
Yeah,
wires.
so it's
because they are
underneath.
Okay, they go under the machine so
Yes.
that
And very
they
long
don't
enough.
make a mess on the counter. That's a good thing. So right now we're gonna try to do an extraction and then steam some. Is there some milk we can steam it?
Yeah,
and
yeah,
see how
yeah.
the steam,
yeah.
Okay. So if I click on make a drink, it will ask me what kind of a drink do you want to make? Americano, cappuccino, espresso, flat white, like that. So if I select a cappuccino, how
Yeah.
will it make the cappuccino?
Now, you will make an espresso, and this steam one will be programmed to steam for more pressure for cappuccino. You know, cappuccino we need more.
It needs more.
Yeah, more foam.
Okay,
Okay,
very good.
so here
let's
we go.
try to see the.
You selected
extraction.
cappuccino.
I selected the cappuccino. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
So now you just press the button in, or
so
this one. You can do
so
both.
either we press here
Yeah,
or here. Let's
yeah.
press the knob
Yeah.
and then
brewing
begin
begins.
brew.
There you go.
Okay.
And then here we'll
the
put
machine
our
will
milk.
display the pre-infusion cycle. The timer will start here.
Milk. Ah. I brought milk. Where
As
did
you
they
can
put
see,
milk?
The coffee will
I brought
start
milk.
extracting.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit fine grinds.
Yeah. No, it's fine because it has a long pre-infusion.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as we can see here, the infusion started following the pre-infusion. And I barely hear the sound of the machine.
Yeah, it's so
There's a vibratory
soundproof,
pump
yeah.
in it, but it's very quiet operation. Right now the coffee is extracting, and now the extraction is done in 45 seconds. That's how the graph looks like.
Okay.
And then
now we're gonna
going to start the milk
steaming.
steaming. Let's see how long will it take to steam the milk.
Yeah. Okay. So
So barely
fill
we
pitcher
put
with milk. It tells you. See, it tells you also the quantity,
Aha.
how much.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
Okay, let's click on
begin steaming. Yeah. Now it will start steaming itself,
So we just put the tip of the pitcher on the top,
and it does the work
and
for you.
then it does all the work. We don't need to carry the pitcher. We stand freely on the drip tray, and I can hear the hissing sound. Meanwhile, here,
Once it's 60, it's automatically stop.
yeah, it is trying to reach the 60 degrees that is set to the cappuccino. And I can feel the heat right now in my hand, and here it shows as
Sorry, we use this cup. Huh? No worries.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. So, once
right
it's
now
60, it will
reaching a
automatically
60,
stop.
and it stopped automatically.
Automatically stops.
Then we take out the milk.
It will tell you what to do. So it will
Yeah.
tell you remove. Then
Yeah, exactly.
you lower
So
it back to
once
purge.
we lower the one,
Now
it will
it's
purge
purging
automatically so
automatic,
that it will never be blocked.
And see how
Only
creamy the milk is. Super creamy, zero bubbles.
very
A few
nice.
barista can steam like this.
Yeah, very
And
nice.
then here you have your espresso, and then here you have your milk.
So in an environment like this, of course, everything is just done without any planning or anything, but looks very, very
There you go.
nice. Thank you so much.
Please
This is
enjoy
a
your
cup of
coffee.
coffee, the first one that's made with the Fellow Espresso one at the World of Coffee in
Test
Dubai.
it and see how
Let's
delicious
taste
it is.
and see how delicious
Bro,
it
I
is.
saw tissue here. Okay, just want to.
Like it so much.
Yeah,
It's very
just
nice.
little
And this is the Fellow machine. Of course, more controls can be done if the user is using
so you
the
guys have
mobile
a sink
app
here?
or the tablet, so that you can
Right.
design your own profiles and play with
This
them
is way
and
better.
see
Otherwise,
how everything is
way
there
better.
on the machine settings. Right now, if you wanna
Huh?
navigate this menu, there's lots of
but
options
just
in it.
where will I throw?
So there's a lot of options, as you can see, to play with on the small screen. Definitely you can access more options if you connect using your phone app. I see brew guidance, I see brew stop, and things that you have to to change and do the customization that suits your needs. See, there is brew volume, there is auto purge on or off, nerdy settings that might have some different things like shot graph, the offset values for the temperature, first shot, second shot, and then third shot. So this basically because when you start the machine for the first time of the day, the temperature won't be exactly the same that you set it to. So you have to compensate that with the offset value. So as you can see here, you add 18 Celsius extra over the value that you want for the first shot only of the day. Maybe the second shot, it will become less. Yeah, so it's right now showing 10 and then 7 and so on. So a lot of things to play with in the nerdy settings menu. And as you can see, there's a lot of options actually to play with when it comes to the settings on the small screen. Definitely there is connectivity to the app, and also adding different users to the machine so that every user can have his own settings. And see, I'm not sure exactly what the elevation settings is about. Not sure what this is about, the height. Maybe I'm not sure this is the height of the machine or something else. We can check that out and see. And that's it. So pretty interesting settings. Definitely sleep settings. Different profiles to choose from if you want to follow a specific espresso profile or shot profile. So there's a lot of options to play with when it comes to the Fellow Espresso one. And it's about what the user wants exactly. Do you want a machine that has a lot of options? They're trying to do their best in terms of the options they give. Definitely this will come at a cost of the build quality might not be up to the expectations for some people due to the plastic body, and maybe some others would look for some other options like the gear pump, for example. So I've seen, after posting the video of the WPM Primus, and I've seen people saying that they're waiting for the Fellow Espresso one. From what I see right now, the machine has good capabilities in terms of what it can do as espresso, but still there are things that might be looked for when it comes to the machine that has no gear pump, the machine that you have to do your espresso then steam after that. Maybe a machine that has a plastic body, so maybe it's not gonna be lasting for a long time comparing to a machine that's made of all stainless steel. The steam quality is good, yet I feel that it's a little bit wet, to be honest, and it's not as dry as some users would expect. But we have to say that still the price of the machine is not that high to have very high expectations. And definitely as a beginning, this is really a good machine if you have to talk about what you pay and what you get in return. It's not much of an amount to get a machine like this. Still within a very good range for somebody who is a beginner in the espresso world. If you're looking for a lot of more professional like machines, then you have to pay more for sure. And this is it. I mean, yeah, this is it. And I think that there are a lot of good things in the machine that people would appreciate if they go for it. And the ones who are looking for the build quality, the ones who are looking for how robust the machine would be, or for example, a machine that has a paddle that you can play with, maybe this is something that a user might not find with this machine, because it has just the 3 buttons on the top, so not much of a manual control over pressure profiling. If you are looking for that, then you need to go for a different option, like the Sanremo U, or for example the Rocket R91, or even something like the WPM Primus for a very similar price to this one. So I believe that we spoke well about the machine. Hopefully that I covered everything as a beginning in the world of coffee in Dubai 2026. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, supporting the channel, and I hope that we're able to provide you with some good information about the espresso gear that we look for. Thank you so much, and see you all in the next one.